Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Arknights Endfield download error code 2.
Fix 1. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi, FE, or mobile data. Step 2. Restart your router or switch networks if possible. Step 3. Retry downloading the game. Fix 2. Clear cache and data. Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps, Arknights, Endfield. Step 2. Tap Storage, clear cache, and then clear data. Step 3. Open the game and try downloading again. Fix 3. Free up storage space. Step 1. Check your device storage in Settings, Storage. Step 2. Delete unnecessary apps, files, or media to free at least 2-3 gigabytes. Step 3. Restart the device and try downloading again. Fix 4. Update the game. Step 1. Open Google Play Store, App Store. Step 2. Search for Arknights, Endfield, and tap Update if available. Step 3. Retry downloading after updating.